How many eSIMs can an iPhone have? Should you use eSIM? If you're wondering how many eSIMs you can use on your iPhone and whether eSIM is better than a physical SIM, here's what you need to know. First, open the Settings app. Tap Cellular or Mobile Service. Here, you'll see the cellular plans currently installed on your iPhone. Your iPhone can store multiple eSIMs, so you can keep different plans for travel, work, or personal use and switch between them when needed. However, the number of eSIMs you can have installed and the number you can use at the same time depends on your iPhone model and region. On supported iPhone models, you can use 2 active eSIMs at the same time. If your iPhone also supports a physical SIM, you can use a physical SIM together with an eSIM for dual SIM. To add another eSIM, go to Settings, tap Cellular, then tap Add eSIM. You can transfer an eSIM from another iPhone, scan a QR code from your carrier, or use another available setup method. So, should you use eSIM? eSIM is convenient because there's no physical SIM card to remove or lose, and it's especially useful when traveling because you can add a local or travel plan without replacing your main SIM. However, eSIM availability depends on your carrier and country, and transferring service can sometimes require carrier support. And that's it. This is how you can check and manage eSIMs on your iPhone and decide whether eSIM is right for you. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more helpful iPhone tutorials. And I'll see you in the next one.